All right, guys. So now let's talk about ranges. So let's say, for example, you wanted to print something out from 1 to 10, and you want to print out every single number along the way. So you will say 1 dot dot and then the number 10. Okay. You could put this in parentheses to let it be known, like, hey, I'm working with some ranges. And then now I could come here and say each. Okay. Do a curly bracket. This is doing like a block, which we haven't gone over it, but for you to learn what a range does, you need to actually see this in action. So we're going to come here and we're going to say n for the number, and then we're going to say puts n. Okay. So what this is doing is creating a method, and with this block, which the block is this, okay, this is a block of code, right? We're coming in here, we're saying this is a range. We're using the method of each. So for each number from 1 to 10, we want to have a code block that we're going to run every single time. Okay, now guys, let's come here to the terminal and run Crystal Playground. As you can see, with 2 dots here, from 1 to 10, we have access to all of those numbers. Okay, now what will happen if we add 3 dots? Okay, so we added 3 dots. So now you'll see something interesting. It goes 1 to 9. So with 3 dots, it's not including the last number in the range, but with 2 dots, it includes it. Okay, now you can also do something like this, like let's say, for example, to A. Okay, save that. Come here, say puts, save this, clear. Okay, and as you can see, now we created an array that has every single number from 1 to 9. If we come here, remove this, all right, you'll see we got 1 to 10. All right, guys, so those were ranges. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.